Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to teach you how to get into our database because we're going to review how you are going to research your favorite author. We started doing this and then we had Texas Public School Week. And so we're going to do this to finish up what I started doing. So we're going to start by going into the Tulsa Midway website because that's where databases are. So you're going to type in TMISD, and you can just click the first. You can click the first one, or you can just click the one that has the icon on it, and that'll take you right to the website. And then you can click on the first entry that just says Tulsa Midway ISD. If you do that, go to schools, and we're at the primary. Click on primary. We've done this before, so I'm going kind of quickly. I only have a few minutes to do this. And we click to primary, and it's coming up. Then we click library. And then we click databases. And on databases, we have two choices. We can go to TextQuest, or you can go to Britannica. And we're going to get this information from Britannica. So click on the blue highlighted web page. And remember, our passwords are TM Primary, our Access ISD TM Primary, and our passcodes TM Primary. The same, so you wouldn't get confused, and just sign in. Mine's already there because I've done it before. Once you go in, it'll save it. We're in elementary. Click in elementary, and this is where we should end up. So this is where we will put in our author that we want to look up. On the page I'm going to show you in a minute, we'll include some of the authors that are already in here. You can pick other authors, but not all of the authors in the whole world will be in here. Just some of the major authors will be in here. So remember, I picked Patricia Polacco. And here she is. I just put Patricia and she's already there. So I clicked on her name. And here she is. Remember, we're in reading level 1, so that it would be something you could understand. There's the introduction about her. Here's her early life. And there are her works. And remember, you can scroll down or scroll back up from here. Remember, if it's too hard for you to read, you can play it.
One of Polacco's most popular books is The
And it'll read it to you.
1988. The Keeping Quilt is based on a family quilt that has been in Polacco's.
You can stop it. Also, so this is where you're going to take your notes, and this is where you can get your notes from. So I put this on the WordPress site that you can find on the library lessons where you got this this video from. And so this tells you what I did just now. I went to TMISD, and then primary, and then I hit library, databases, and then I clicked on the blue website, Britannica, and then the username was TM Primary, password or passcode was TM Primary, and then I searched for the author on the top. Now on the second page of that, these are the authors that are in there. So any of these, I just made this because remember I cut them in half. It just looks funny because it's the same authors. It's just I cut them in half to give them to you like that. So these are the ones that are there. Remember, these are the things you're going to use because remember we're going to use big, huge labs to make these products. So you're going to put the name of the author on this sheet. You don't have to use this if you can't print it out. That's fine. But this is the information you're going to get. The name of the author, and the footer is going to be my favorite author. Your name is going to be put here because you're the person doing the research. This is going to be your notes. Remember, I put things like where she went to school, like university, right? Which university did she go to? I can't type this morning. I also put what books she wrote. I don't remember what else I put because it was so long ago. What ethnic group she was from. It's whatever I could. Got that wrong too. Whatever I could find on the website. It's going to vary. It's going to be different because whatever you can find on your website will be different. Interesting facts. I'm not typing at all well today. Any interesting facts? And so you're going to write that down, her birth date, and if that person died or not. She didn't die, so I put I think she was 76 years old or something like that. I can't remember. But you will write these things down. Then you're going to transfer it to Big Huge Labs. And I'm going to do another video on Big Huge Labs so you can have that information as well. Okay, so this is the first part of your research, and then we're going to do another video on Big Huge Labs. Let me close this. And that's